Good morning, this is All India Radio Kohima. The morning news read by Nobin Pradhan. The 17th meeting of the high-level group of ministers, GOM, was held in New Delhi yesterday to review, monitor and evaluate the evolving situation due to COVID-19. The meeting was chaired by Health and Family Welfare Minister Dr. Harsh Vardhan through video conferencing. The GOM was briefed on the present status of COVID-19 cases in the country along with recovery and mortality rates, doubling rate, testing mechanism and healthcare infrastructure. The group of ministers was informed that the key focus areas to deal with the COVID-19 pandemic are strict containment measures and surveillance, utilization of full testing capacity, monitoring of comorbidity and elderly population, predicting emerging hotspots, ensuring seamless patient admission processes, fatality mitigation by effective clinical management, and infrastructure preparedness. Dr. Vardhan said healthcare and testing infrastructures have been ramped up in the country and adequate arrangements have been made to deal with any situation in the country. He said more than 3 lakh people have recovered from the coronavirus. The minister said the recovery rate is over 58% in the country. Dr. Vardhan said our country is fighting against COVID-19 better than any country in the world. Advisor Tourism, Art and Culture KOV Yaptho visited Zunhepota district and held meeting with the district task force and ZCMC at Deputy Commissioner's residence yesterday. During the meeting, KOV emphasized on the importance of awareness on COVID-19 at the village level and reminded that misinformation of do's and don'ts could lead to a catastrophic consequence. He said that the current standard operating procedure will be adhered to till further orders. The advisor informed that 4 ventilators will be installed at the district COVID hospital by the ministry of the concerned department. He said the government and frontline workers will work unitedly in any given situation. During the meeting, Deputy CMO Dr. K. Akahosema said so far 499 samples from the district were tested, out of which 3 tested positive. He said all the patients are in the district COVID hospital and doing well. In a major relief to the goods and services taxpayers, the government has decided to provide the facility of SMS filing of nil statement of Form GSTR1 from 1st July. The Central Board of Indirect Taxes and Customs CBIC said that the filing of nil statements through SMS would improve ease of GST compliance for over 12 lakh registered taxpayers. CBIC said that the taxpayer needs to send SMS to 14409 to initiate the SMS facility, and after getting a 6-digit code, the taxpayer can confirm their nil statements. Union Minister of Tribal Affairs Arjun Munda yesterday launched through video conference the Tribes India products on Government e-Marketplace and a new website of TriFed. The Tribes India store on Government e-Marketplace can now help in facilitating purchases by the government. The new website has all relevant details about the schemes and initiatives to benefit tribal communities. Speaking on the occasion, Munda said the team of TriFed warriors will take tribal commerce based on forest products, handlooms and handicrafts to a new high for transforming tribal lives and livelihoods. He emphasized that empowering the tribal communities and utilizing their skills, which has so far been disconnected from the mainstream, should be of prime focus. He said we should capitalize on the opportunities that have been thrown open during the COVID-19 situation. Prime Minister Narendra Modi will share his thoughts with the people in the country and abroad in the Mann Ki Baat program on All India Radio today at 11 a.m. It will be the 66th episode of the monthly radio program. It will be broadcast on the entire network of AIR and Doordarshan and also on the AIR News website www.newsonair.com and News on Air mobile app. It will also be streamed live on the YouTube channels of AIR, DD News, PMO and Information and Broadcasting Ministry. AIR will broadcast the program in regional languages immediately after the Hindi broadcast. The regional language versions will be repeated at 8 in the evening. And with that, we end the morning's news bulletin. Have a nice day.